The easiest way to get to Badge List is by accessing it through your class link. Once you sign in through your class link and you enter your username and password that very first time, you'll have instant sign-in access to your badges. The iPad Level 2, I believe, is found on page 5. To earn the iPad Level 2 badge, you'll need to personalize your email signature. That's very important so that people know who you are, what campus you work at. We also like to see that AirDrop is changed to everyone so that if people want to share pictures or files with you, they can easily do that during a training. FaceTime is also important to know, and we would like to see a collaboration between two classes or colleagues using FaceTime. We'd also like to see the Office apps on your device, and so those include Sway, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, OneNote, and Office Lens. And then also very important to have is the OneDrive on your iPad, and that gives you instant access to all of your OneDrive files. Let's get started. If not changed, an email signature from an iPad will only say sent from my iPad. It is important that you do customize your email signature so that all recipients will know who you are, what campus you work at, and any other relevant contact information. To change this, you will want to do it through Settings. Once in Settings, scroll on the left-hand side until you find Mail and tap on that. Then on the right-hand side, scroll up until you see Signature and tap on that. This is where you can change your signature. I like to keep sent from my iPad just so that they know if there's any errors or if the message may have been brief. It could have been because I was on a mobile device. AirDrop is one of the easiest ways to receive images, websites, links, and other things that people would like to share with you. To change your settings to receive AirDrop, you can do that from the control panel. The easiest way to access the control panel is to slide from the upper right corner where the battery level is at, slide down, and that will open up your control panel. This is new in iOS 12. On the upper right hand side next to the airplane, you've got a symbol, and that is for AirDrop. Usually by default, AirDrop is either off or open to contacts only. However, few of us ever enter our contacts in the iPad, and so it's typically just easier to leave it open to everyone. Once AirDrop is open to receive links and pictures, they will find the name of your iPad under their AirDrop section. Once they select your name, you will automatically get the image, or you will have to accept it. And once you accept it, it will live on your device. Microsoft Office has some amazing apps that are great to use from the iPad. We want to make sure that you have access to these so that if you need to work on a PowerPoint presentation, Word document, Excel, OneNote, Teams, Sway, or Office Lens, you have it right at your fingertips. To get these apps, you'll just want to go to the App Store and search for Microsoft. There within Microsoft, you will find Word, Excel. You will need your Microsoft OneDrive for a different reason, and that is one that we would want you to have. There's PowerPoint, OneNote, Office Lens, and of course any other that you would want to get. You'll definitely want to make sure that you have Teams as well. To put them in a folder, all you have to do is hold down any app until they start wiggling. And if you put one app on top of another, it will automatically create a folder. You can name this folder Office Tools or anything that you would like. And of course, these are not the Office tools since I already have those in a folder, but just wanted to show you how you could create a folder. To rename it, you would just X out and rename it to anything that you would like. Once you tap on your home button, everything will stop moving and be finalized. Again, these are the apps that you want to make sure that you have. The Microsoft OneDrive app is a must-have on your iPad. To get the app, you'll just search for it from the App Store. And once you're signed into it using your district credentials, it will automatically sync all of the files that you have in your OneDrive. Looking down here on the bottom left, notice that this is the Files section. And so it does have all of my files that I have in OneDrive. I can also look at it by recent, and so anything that I've had open or working with recently. You've also got your shared section, so this would include anything that has been shared with you. And then you also have sites, and so any of your SharePoint sites you could also access here from the OneDrive app. On the upper right, you've got a search feature. So if you're looking for a certain file or folder, you can type that information in there to find that file quickly. And then on the plus sign, you can add pictures, create a folder, create a Word document, PowerPoint presentation, and then the scan button actually works a lot like the Office Lens app, in which you can actually scan a document or picture and it'll automatically add it there to your OneDrive. To submit your evidence, you'll first want to click on Join This Badge. From there, you can go to the different elements, Post Item, and where it asks for you to select an image, you'll want to select that from your device, from your photo library. And so, for example, for this one, I could just select an image. And then once that image is there, you can post evidence and the evaluators will automatically get that information. Be sure to click on the Request Feedback button. That lets us know that you have added all of your artifacts and are ready to receive feedback from us. We look forward to receiving your artifacts and granting you your badge.